Hello everyone. So I'm having a bash at retail arbitrage. Might go well, might go bad, but first foray into it, it might be quite good initially. So apologies to the subscribers who've been on my channel for a long time. This is starting to get a bit chaotic with what I'm doing, whether it's night vision, 3D printing, Raspberry Pis, blow myself up. This is relatively safe, hopefully. So, without further ado, retail arbitrage is an ability to take an item from a shop or a store or wherever. It might be discounted already, and what you want to then do is then sell it for a profit. The foray that we got into here is, if this is right, it will be a biggie, I'm quite comfortable with being a biggie. So here we go. So this is a Landroid. Basically, it's smart lawnmower, for want of a better, robot lawnmower. Goes around, cuts your grass. You don't have to do anything, and that's it. But these things are expensive, so people have got the ability to have them tracked, so like a GPS tracker. And it's this little box here. So just go on here. So that's what it looks like. Nothing fancy. If you can afford one, great. Congratulations. You're more lazy than me. But the thing is we spotted a scenario with this where there could be some money made. So on the website here is down as Amazon is selling at 249, eBay 279, and it's not in stock. And it won't be our local one, but for 210 quid. We pretty much bought the whole lot. What was in there, we bought. So just to go and show you, there's a number here. So this is B&Q's own website. Obviously that marries up to the 210 that they're showing down there. 210. It gives you all the gumph to it. And there's the serial number. So just as proof of what we did, this is how much we paid. 33, so £10 per unit, £330. Essentially, for B&Q, that's £6,980 of stock that we got for that. I feel actually really sorry because someone's got to write up why they've just got rid of essentially £7,000 worth of stock for 330 quid. It's going to be a bad Monday for someone, but that's it. So these are now on eBay. We're trying to get rid of them, and by all accounts they will go, and there's going to be a tiny profit behind it. I'll do a follow-up of this and I'll tell you exactly on how much we've made. I don't know, I mean it's probably the wrong time of year anyway. We're coming into October, no one wants to mow the lawns anyway this time of year, but might be something that we might have to hold on to. So there you go. Hope you've liked this video. If you are interested in retail arbitrage, by all means like, share and subscribe. But yeah, this one's a corker. So catch you all later. Bye.